Hi everyone, for a new episode of the MacGyver series. How to film outside when it's rainy. You can have a great camera with a seal but not the lens. If you want to put a follow focus, a matte box, you know, if you want to rig it out, it's not really easy to film outside when it's raining. I will show you an easy way, a quick, easy and cheap way to film outside when it's raining with every camera, with every setup very alright. When you have a little setup like this, you know, you can put a bag, but when you rig it out, it's not really easy. So first you put two magic arms with super clamps. I already did a video with small rig accessories, great quality but very affordable too, so that's great. You put the first like this, and the other on the cage. You mount it where you want. It's really up to you. To be able to see the screen, you put it on the side. Of course, when it's raining, you take an umbrella. With the camera, it's the same. You take the umbrella, alright. The alright umbrella, it works too, like I did for my video in the rain. Cheapest, easy way, two magic arms, three super clamps and the umbrella. Very cheap, very easy. You open it, but not open the umbrella yet. And like this, you can put it in any direction. You can incline, you know, if the rain comes from the left or from the right. With the magic arm, you can adjust. And with this great umbrella, alright, of course, this is not a sponsor video, so if you want to buy the umbrella, it helped me, or the magic arms with the affiliate links in the description too, alright. But you need to clear the LCD to be able to see it, of course. And you can still open it like this, just push it to the max, tack, and it's open. It's great. It can rain now. No, close it, open it, you know, very quick, simple. With these super clamps, it doesn't break the umbrella. You can tighten it and you can still close it, no problem. They do the job. I put a little one on top, but you can put two like this one. This is why I like this brand, because it's cheap but great quality. Of course, to be able to move it, it's a little bit difficult if the setup is heavy, because it's like this. The lightest setup, the easiest is to move. You can do it like this, and of course you can cover yourself too. That's exactly what I did for the little video in the rain with this little setup. Like this, you can film very easy in the rain. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little video, this new little episode of MacGyver. Don't forget to subscribe. I put all the affiliate links of the hats, the jacket, the umbrella, everything, the magic arms, of course, in the description. And see you in the next one. Until then, don't forget to enjoy.